What if your business could create professional marketing videos without a camera, without actors, and without spending thousands of dollars? Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today, AI can generate complete videos from a simple text prompt, and businesses everywhere are using it to create ads, social media content, product videos, and promotional campaigns faster than ever. But here's the big question. Which AI video generator is actually best for businesses? Today, we're putting one AI tool to the test using 3 real-world business scenarios. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth using for your business. Let's dive in. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner, a marketer, an entrepreneur, or someone creating content for clients, today's video is going to save you a lot of time. We're testing RecCloud's AI Video Generator, a tool that turns simple text into fully generated videos. No filming, no editing experience, no complicated production process. Just type your idea and let AI do the work. But can it actually create videos businesses would use? Let's find out. Let's start with a local coffee shop. Imagine you just opened a new cafe. You want to attract customers on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Let's enter this prompt. Create a cinematic promotional video for a modern coffee shop featuring fresh coffee, cozy interiors, happy customers, and special offers. That's it. One prompt. Now watch what happens. The AI starts generating scenes automatically. Fresh coffee beans, slow-motion coffee pours, customers enjoying drinks, warm cafe interiors, beautiful visuals, smooth transitions. And the crazy part? You didn't film a single second of footage. Within minutes, you have a marketing video ready for social media. For small businesses, that's a huge advantage. Now let's move into something completely different, a software company. So let's try this prompt. Create a professional software product introduction video showcasing dashboard analytics, team collaboration, productivity improvements, and business growth. Simple, clear, business-focused. The AI generates scenes featuring modern dashboards, business teams, data analytics, collaboration visuals, professional animations, and clean transitions. Instead of spending days building a first draft, you can generate one in minutes, then customize it to fit your brand. For startups and fast-moving companies, that's incredibly valuable. Now let's put the AI through one more challenge. Real estate, one of the most competitive industries online. Let's enter, create a luxury real estate marketing video featuring a modern home, spacious living areas, stunning architecture, and premium lifestyle visuals. Then let the AI work. The AI generates luxury homes, modern architecture, elegant interiors, lifestyle visuals, cinematic transitions, premium presentation styles. And suddenly, you have a professional-looking property video ready for marketing, social media, presentations, advertising campaigns, and listing promotions. After testing all 3 scenarios, a coffee shop, a software company, and a real estate business, one thing becomes clear. The biggest advantage isn't just video creation, it's speed. Businesses need content fast, they need consistency, and they need affordable production. AI solves all 3. Instead of waiting days or spending thousands, you can generate content almost instantly. So, which AI video generator is best for businesses? If you're looking for a tool that can transform text into marketing-ready videos quickly, RecCloud's AI Video Generator is definitely worth considering. It helps businesses create content faster, reduce production costs, generate marketing videos at scale, and test new ideas quickly. That's exactly what modern businesses need. And there you have it, 3 real business examples, 1 AI video generator, and a glimpse into how businesses are creating content in 2026. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI tools, business growth strategies, and content creation tips. And if you want to try RecCloud's AI Video Generator yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!